everyone, I'm Max, and I'm the manager here at our local steakhouse. For a restaurant like ours, floor cleaning is not something we only think about after closing. It's part of our daily operation, from opening prep, to service hours, to the post-rush reset, and finally, the closing clean. Sometimes we see footprints at the entrance, water tracked in from outside, or dirt brought in through deliveries and staff movement. If we do not take care of these areas before opening, it becomes much harder to manage once service starts. During service, the most difficult situations are, as always, the unexpected ones. A drink gets spilled, soup or sauce hits the floor, or wet spots appear in front of the bar or near the pickup area. At that moment, the goal is not just to clean the floor. We need to respond quickly without blocking the aisle for too long, and without interrupting the movement of our guests and staff. With the traditional mop, it often takes several passes, and the floor may stay wet for a while. In a restaurant, that can affect the guest experience and slow down the pace of our service. It also opens you up to accidents and slips. What makes the SH1 useful for us is that it combines scrubbing and water recovery in one workflow. When a local spill happens, the team can bring it to the area quickly, clean it up, and help the floor return to an available condition much faster. After the lunch or dinner rush, the front of the house usually needs a quick reset. Under the tables, around chair legs, in front of the bar, near the pickup area, and along the main walkway are all areas we check very closely. These areas used to take more time because the space is tight, and you often have to adjust your angle several times. The SH1 is easier to move into these areas, and the operation feels more natural for the team and much faster. For us, front of house cleaning is not only about looking clean, it's about getting the space ready again before the next group of guests comes in to enjoy their meals. After closing, the focus moves from the front of the house to the back of the house. Areas like the dish station, the prep line, the back corridor, and staff walkways often have watermarks, footprints, or light greasy residue by the end of the day. For back of house cleaning, consistency matters. We want the key areas to be handled properly in one workflow with less rework, so the next day's opening preparation becomes easier. The SH1 is not just a machine for one single spill. It feels more like an upright scrubber dryer that can fit into the daily workflow of any restaurant. We also want cleaning work to be easier to check and manage. Machine status and cleaning records are helpful for daily store operations, especially when different team members use the machine across shifts. If you run a restaurant, you know floor cleaning comes up again and again throughout the day. For us, the SH1 has made that work easier to plan and easier to manage.